All right, Miss Ken, I have no problem seeing you another video, especially now that I know that there's a 16-year-old involved. So I want to make sure you have all the information you need. All right, so here is the start button. I'm going to press the brake this time. Cut it off. Put my foot on the brake, start it again. We do it one last time, third time. Is the charm. So 3 times, foot firmly on the brake, starts right up, no issues. Now I know you wanted to hear the engine, so I am going to find the release. And let's see if I can get one of my coworkers to come rev it up for me while I'm filming. If not, I'll angle the phone. Let's see here. Bear with me 1 second while I find the latch part. Oh, that's different. It's up here. I was looking down here, but it's up here. So you pull this. I guess it goes. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. But yeah, the latch piece is up there, and it goes right here. But here's the engine. Let me shut up so you can hear it. And I'm gonna slowly back away, see if I can get one of my coworkers to rev it up. All right, no one's around, but no worries. I'm gonna just put the phone. I'll put it right here. Kind of leaned up against the. There we go, and I'll rev it myself. Alright, I hope that is good enough. If it's not, just email me back, let me know anything else that you need. And I hope to see y'all on Friday.